if you want to see the NFTs in your Metamask wallet, this is how you do it. Click on Metamask in your browser. Click on Portfolio site. Click on NFTs. And these are all the NFTs that you have. And this is the one that I purchased today, the Silver MKC. Now you might see other NFTs that you don't recognize. Do not interact with them. Do not touch them. You can just press three little dots that have been next to the NFT like you see here. You can see, say, more options, and then press hide. Okay, I know what all these are, and so I'm happy. But if you see anything you don't recognize and you don't want to interact with it, just hide it. Any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll come back to you.